guys enjoyed that little clip we put together for you guys. It was pretty cool watching that and also attempting to rev all them cars and get different tones, but it was awesome. Hope you guys enjoy it. And also the Goonzquad family wants to wish you a very Merry Christmas. So today we want to put out a little special vlog for you guys. No work today, just gonna go through all of our builds, tell you what's up and what is coming. So right now we have our 2018 Camaro Zl1. Man, this thing is an absolute beast. If you haven't watched any videos of it, go back and watch them. It was very fun putting this thing together. As for the mods, guys, we did put an exhaust on it and a RotoFab intake. That thing just absolutely screams. And we are also waiting on the drag strip to open up because the weather sucked lately, so we're really excited to take this thing and see what kind of times it runs. So that is the update on the 2018 Zl1, so let's go ahead and pull in the Hellcat. So as for the 2017 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, man, this thing is an absolute beast. We have a blast driving this thing all the time. So there is a few things that we want to do to this car, like throw in a nice cold air intake to make that supercharger scream. And also we still got to matte that roof out. We're thinking about doing a matte black finish on the roof, maybe wrap it. It should look pretty dang good, so we're really excited about doing some more mods to this thing, man. Although it's an automatic, it's still a beast to drive on a daily basis because that thing just absolutely rips when you put that pedal to the metal. The tires just do not stick at all. So guys, as soon as we get some time on our hands, we're gonna do more mods to this thing because we absolutely love it. This is probably one of our favorite automatic cars in our group right now. It's the first automatic we ever built, so it's pretty exciting to drive this thing, and it's gotta be one of our favorites. So let's go ahead, pull the Mustang in, and tell you more about it.
As for this 2017 Mustang GT, we still got some plans for it. Also, I know we said that we are gonna boost it. We're not sure if we're gonna twin turbo it or supercharged. We're gonna pick one of them here very soon. We do have some mods already in and some mods on the way, but we're just waiting for that perfect time to start building this thing a little bit more and then start boosting it. So that is the update for the Mustang right there. And some of you guys may have noticed that the Corvette is nowhere to be seen. It is actually on a car lot for sale right now. We're gonna try to get rid of it and maybe use that money to build some of our other builds and the Viper and the kit car. We got some big plans coming soon, so guys, be sure that you stay tuned so you don't miss out on anything. So guys, you probably already got the update on the Viper and also the kit car in the previous video. So guys, be sure to stay tuned for that. They're gonna start coming together here in the upcoming weeks, and they're just gonna be absolutely awesome when they're finished. I can't wait to rip them. We usually take all of our builds to the drag strip and put them to the test there. So today's gonna be a bit of a short video because I want you guys to enjoy your day. We're gonna enjoy our day, spend it with family and friends and just have a good time. So guys, be sure to stay tuned. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on anything because we got some big things coming soon. Also guys, be sure to follow us on Instagram at Goonzquad. You'll get the inside scoop there before YouTube. A new merch drop is coming here very soon. Go visit Goonzquad.com and be sure to copy something. Thank you guys for all the love and support, and thank you guys for watching today's video. Merry Christmas. Peace.